During hot summer months, many animals will flock to rivers or ponds, which means predators can strategically position themselves nearby to take advantage of this natural behavior. This relationship creates a delicate balance in the ecosystem, where the availability of water can influence the movement patterns and population dynamics of both predators and their prey. Moreover, water sources can also impact breeding and territorial behaviors. Many species will establish territories around reliable water sources, which ensures access to hydration for their young and sustenance for their families. This can lead to increased competition among predators, who might mark their